Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.9. So first we'll take the first subdivision, integral of e power x divided by x plus 1 the whole squared dx. So this can be written as integral of x e power x. I'm going to add a plus e power x and a minus e power x so that the numerator doesn't change. The whole thing divided by x plus 1 the whole squared dx. Now I'm going to break this integration like this. So this becomes integral x e power x plus e power x divided by x plus 1 the whole squared dx. Then there is a minus of integral e power x divided by x plus 1 the whole squared dx. Now in this case, I'm going to make the small changes. So this is going to be integral of, I'm going to take e power x outside. So this will become x plus 1, the whole thing divided by x plus 1, the whole squared dx, minus integral of e power x divided by x plus 1, the whole squared dx. So here 1 x plus 1 and the power will get cancelled. So this will become integral e power x by x plus 1 dx minus integral e power x by x plus 1 the whole squared dx. I'm going to combine both this integration like this. So this will become integral of e power x into 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole squared dx. Now this is of the form integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, so that you can apply the formula and get this as e power x f of x plus c. So here we see that f of x is 1 by x plus 1, which means f dash of x is also 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. So we can directly apply this formula and write this as e power x into 1 by x plus 1 or 1 plus x plus c. Simply return e power x divided by x plus 1 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, we are going to make a change in the numerator. Let's see, this is going to become integral of x minus 1. I'm going to put a plus 1 and then there is a minus 1 so that the original fraction doesn't change. The whole thing divided by x plus 1 the whole cube e power x dx. Now this I can rewrite this as integral of x plus 1 minus 2. I'm combining these two terms together, divided by x plus 1 the whole cube e power x dx. So I'm going to break this fraction like this. So this is integral of x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole cube minus 2 divided by x plus 1 the whole cube, the whole thing into e power x dx. So this first fraction will get simplified as integral of 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole squared minus 2 divided by x plus 1 the whole cube e power x dx. Now this is again of the form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So let's compute and check for ourselves. So f of x, if you put this as 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square, actually f dash of x can be written as, this is nothing but x plus 1 the whole power minus 2. So after you differentiate, you get minus 2 into x plus 1 the whole power minus 3, which is nothing but minus 2 divided by x plus 1 the whole cube. So this is what you have here. So directly let's apply the formula. So this means e power x into f of x. So e power x into f of x is 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole squared plus c. So if you write it nicely, it is x e power x divided by x plus 1 the whole squared plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.